Hi guys, welcome to Quick Tips. This is Z and today we will show you how WhatsApp payment works. This is going to be a game changer for online banking. The messaging app from Facebook has finally got its clearance from National Payment Corporation of India, the government body for retail payment in country. Let's take you through the new features and how to use them. To use payment on WhatsApp, both the sender and receiver need to activate UPI on their phones. All users will have to accept the terms of payment features to activate the service. Also, if anyone wants to receive the money, they will also have to activate the feature on their device. Check if the phone has the latest version or not. Now, launch the WhatsApp and go to Options and then to Settings. Here, select the payment option. Payment option may or may not be available under your WhatsApp account. So if you do not have this option, you can email your WhatsApp number on our email address mentioned below and we'll send you an invite to set up WhatsApp payment. Now once you have the payment option, select add new account. Here the list of banks will appear on the screen. Select the banks through which you wish to link your WhatsApp payment. Now it will verify the phone number by tapping on verify via SMS. As we have already verified, we don't have to redo it. If you haven't set up the UPI, it will prompt you to verify the account number by providing last 6 digits on the debit card number. Once the UPI is active, you can send money using WhatsApp contact. Select new payment to send money. Now select the contact you wish to transfer money. You will have to click on notify to let the receiver know about the payment, and this will allow the receiver to set up the online WhatsApp payment feature. Now on the receiver WhatsApp account, as you can see, receiver has got notification on his WhatsApp and now the payment account needs to be set up on his or her cell phone. Tap on set up. Now you need to follow the same process. Once the payment account setup is completed, sender will get the option to send payment. Now tap on send payment, enter the amount you want to transfer and add the notes. You will be asked to enter your UPI PIN. Once you do so, your payment will be completed. Alright, so the feature is likely to reach all users in the coming weeks. Linking the payment feature works out in user-friendly manner, and all you need is a bank account which is linked to your mobile number with the UPI. WhatsApp has now become capable of letting you transfer money between two different banks as well. That's all we have here for you today. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like, share and comment if you liked our video. Also request to hit the bell icon to get the latest updates on our newest videos. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.